Hi everyone. Today I will explain PHP introduction briefly. PHP means hypertext preprocessor. PHP is a popular server-side scripting language used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. It runs on the server and sends the output to the browser as HTML. PHP is widely used for web development and works well with databases like MySQL. And key features of PHP. PHP is open source and free, easy to learn and use. PHP works on all major operating systems. PHP support databases MySQL, PostgreSQL and etc. and 20 databases, more than 20 databases PHP support. PHP used to handle forms, sessions and authentications. And I will explain how to install the XAMPP server on Windows step by step. Just download XAMPP server and download. After the download, just double click and install the XAMPP server. Okay. After the installation completed, just open the control panel and start the Apache and MySQL. And I will explain three examples, basic examples. First example, always PHP less than question mark PHP echo welcome to PHP. Okay, and I will explain the path in the XAMPP server. After installation, htdocs is the main folder. I create the KSR folder. Same like that. Open the browser. Close this, all these things. Okay. Open the browser. Localhost KSR folder. Yes. Suppose you want to increase this one. Just take one h1 tag. Welcome. Yes. Example 2. PHP working fine inside the HTML tags also. Okay. Echo. This is a PHP example 2. Okay. Like this. Suppose if you want to increase the font size, take h2 tag. Yes. And example 3, take one variable Shivakumar. Okay. Echo hello dot always concatenate to combine the string and variable. Dollar name. Okay. Yes. Suppose if you want to increase the font size like this. Yes. That's it today. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about PHP data types with examples. Data types define the type of data variable can store. Okay. PHP supports 8 main data types. Number 1, it is string. String, that means used to store text. Okay. For example, PHP $name is equal to Shivakrishna. Echo $name. Okay. Go to output. Save Krishna. And coming to number 2, integer. Integer used to store whole numbers. Okay, for example, $age is equal to 25. Echo $age. Okay. Yes, 25. And coming to float. Double. We can call double also. Used to store decimal numbers. For example, dollar price is equal to 99.50. Echo dollar price. Okay. Delete this. Yes. And coming to Boolean. Store true or false values. Okay. True or false values. True or false. For example, dollar is active. True. If dollar is active, echo user is active. Okay. Yes, user is active. And coming to next, array. Stores multiple values in single variable. Multiple values in single variable. For example, dollar colors array red. Okay. Green, blue, echo dollar colors. Okay. Can print red. Yes. And coming to number 6. And array, there is a index array, associate array. There is 2 type of array. And second, first one already I show you index array. The second one it is associate array. For example, dollar student is equal to array key and value. dollar name, Ravi, comma, dollar age, 20. Echo dollar student, dollar name. Yes. Deletion. Yes, Ravi. And coming to object, use it to store data and methods together. For example, dollar class car, public dollar brand, function set brand, dollar brand. That means dollar this brand is equal to dollar brand. Okay. Now we'll take dollar car is equal to new always to create a object car. Okay, and dollar car set brand Toyota. Okay, echo dollar car brand. Okay, yes, Toyota. And next, coming to next data type, null. Null represent a variable with no value. For example, dollar data is equal to null, where dump dollar data. Okay, yes, null value. And next, coming to next data type, it is resource. Resource used to hold special resources like database connection or file handles. For example, dollar file is equal to f open and text dot txt. Test dot txt. Okay, R means open. Now var dump dollar file. Okay, now we create one text file. Okay, yes, this is the error, syntax error. Okay, now summary table. Data type description string text data integer whole numbers and float decimal numbers, boolean true or false. Okay, next array to store multiple values. Next object class instances. Okay, that means use it to store data and methods together. And next coming to null, no value, null means no value. Next resources, external resources. Okay, that means to hold special resources like databases connection or file handles. Okay, finally PHP data types help manage a different kind of data efficiently while building the dynamic web applications. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. Today I will explain PHP variables briefly. PHP variables. In PHP, variable is used to store data that can be used and changed during program execution. Okay. Yes. PHP is to store data that can be used and changed during the program. And key points of PHP: a variable starts with dollar. Always variable start with dollar. Okay. The name must be begin with letter and underscore. Name must be begin with a letter or underscore. And PHP is case sensitive. That means dollar name and dollar name are different. Okay. And no need to declare the data type. That means PHP is loosely typed. That means suppose dollar name is equal to 25. 25 is the integer, but no need to mention integer. Okay. And I will explain one example. Always PHP less than question mark PHP, no? dollar name is equal to Shiv Kumar. Okay. Shiv Kumar is the string, and same dollar age is equal to 25, and same dollar salary is equal to 25,000.50 float. Okay. And echo dollar name, echo dollar age, echo dollar salary. Okay. This will show you output. Server always start there is some error in this page. Yes. Take one BR tag. One minute. Always inside the string. Yes. And a variable type of example I will show you. This one string, and second one, this one integer, and third one float, and the fourth one also there is other one. Fourth one, suppose for example dollar status is equal to true. This means boolean. Okay. And finally, PHP variables store different types of values, are easy to use because of PHP automatically manage the data types. And PHP, there is a local variable and global variable. I will explain local variable first. Local variable. A local variable is declared inside the function and can be used only within that function. for example, $PHP function, my function, okay, dollar name is Shivkumar. This one is the local variable. Okay, echo dollar name. Suppose to call the function my function, okay, yes, Shivkumar. Okay, suppose you can variable can print outside the function, it will get error. Suppose for example, you take this place, it will get error, warning error. Okay, so always this one inside the function. So coming to global variable, a global variable is declared outside the function and can be accessed inside the function using global keyword. For example, $company is equal to tax solutions. Okay, this one global variable. Okay, function show company. Show company is the function name. $company. Okay, always the keyword is global. Okay, and echo company. To call the function show company. Okay, yes, tax solutions. Access global variable using dollar globals. I will show you third example. Dollar salary is equal to 30,000. Okay, and here it is function show salary. Function show salary. Okay, and echo dollar globals and salary. Okay, and show salary. There is some error. Line number 5. Echo globals, spelling wrong. Okay, this one. Yes, and I will explain difference about the local variable and global variable. Okay, local variable declared inside the function, one declared inside a function, and same global variable declared outside the function. Okay, and second one accessible only inside the function, only inside the function. Okay, and here also accessible throughout the script. Okay, toward the script. Okay, and automatically destroyed after the function execution. After function execution. And this one exist until script ends. Okay, the finally is local variable for function specific tasks and global variable when data needs to be shared across the function. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone, today we will discuss about loops. Loops in PHP are used to execute a block of code repeatedly until condition is met. So there is 4 type of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, for each loop. First we will discuss about the for loop. Okay, for loop. For loop used when the number of iterations is known. For example, for $i is equal to 1, that means initialization, first one, $i less than is equal to 5, this one is the condition, $i plus plus, increment or decrement, echo $i. Okay, yes, this one is the for loop. Next, coming to while loop. While loop runs as long as the condition is true. For example, $i is equal to 1, same initialization, and while $i less than equal to 5, and echo $i break. And $i plus plus increment. Now same output, we'll get the same output. Okay, next coming to do while. Do while execute at least once, even if the condition is false also. For example, $i is equal to 1, do echo $i $i plus plus while $i less than equal to 5, for example 6. Okay, now we'll check. Yes, suppose if condition is wrong, for example 7. Yes, okay, and coming to for each. Used for arrays. This one the best for arrays. $PHP $colors. For example, red, green, and blue. Okay, for each $colors as is the keyword, $color. Okay, and echo $color PR tag. Okay, now we'll check. Yes, red, green, blue. Okay, if finally for fixed number of times, while condition based. Okay, do while runs at least once. Okay, next for each, best for arrays. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone, today we will discuss about the array, PHP arrays. An array in PHP is used to store multiple values in single variable. There is a 3 type of arrays. One is indexed array, second one is associated array, third one is multi-dimensional array. Okay, we will discuss about index array. Index array uses numeric indexes. For example, dollar PHP tag dollar fruits is equal to apple, banana, and mango. Suppose we'll take print 0 means index array. Always index array start with 0. Yes, this one is indexed array. Coming to associated array, associative array is named keys, key and value. For example, $student is equal to name Shivakumar, comma, age 20, comma, course, okay, PHP, okay. Now echo $student. Yes, Shivakumar. Next, coming to multi-dimensional array. Okay, an array inside another array. For example, $marks mass inside array, mass 80, we'll check like this better. Okay, science, $85, okay, and English, echo $marks 1, comma 1. Now we will get the output 85. The comma is required. Syntax error. Yes. Okay. Summary. Index array, indexed array, numeric keys, associate array, named keys, key and value. Next, multi-dimensional array. Array inside arrays. Finally, arrays helps manage the organize multiple related values efficiently. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about the PHP functions. PHP functions are blocks of reusable code that perform a specific task. There are two types of functions. One, it is user-defined function. Second one is predefined functions. That means built-in functions. User-defined functions, predefined functions. Okay. First, we will discuss about user-defined functions. User-defined functions are created by the programmer to perform custom tasks. For example, PHP function is the keyword add numbers $A, $B. Return $A plus $B. Okay. Echo add numbers 10, 20. Now we will get the output 30. Here it is, the function is the keyword, add numbers is the user-defined function. Parameters $A, $B is the parameter. This one reusable anywhere in the program. Suppose, for example, echo add numbers 40, 60. Okay. Now we'll see. Okay. Like this. Next, coming to predefined functions, that means built-in functions. Built-in functions already provided the PHP to perform common operations. For example, echo strlen. Okay. Yes. And second one, echo date YMD. Okay. Tag BR tag. and take echo str to upper. Yes. So to convert the lowercase to uppercase. This one now no need to create them, ready to use. Used for string handling, date, math, array, etc. Okay. And finally, user defined functions to create the user, predefined functions to built into the PHP. This both improve the code reusability and readability. Okay, and I will explain the common some string functions and array functions. So coming to string functions. Okay, string functions number one, str length function. To get the string length, for example, same like that previously, echo strlen, hello world. Okay, yes, string length. And coming to next function, str to upper, for example, echo str to upper, PHP programming. Okay, yes, and coming to next function, str to layer, for example, echo str to lower. Okay, yes, str to layer. And coming to substring, substr, for example, echo substr, welcome to PHP 11,3. Okay, yes, PHP. And next one it is str to replace, for example, echo str to replace PHP okay, and okay, Yes. Just here to replace. And array functions. First function is count. For example, dollar color is equal to array red, green, blue. Okay. Now I want to check the count. Echo count dollar colors. Okay. Yes. 3. And next coming to array push. For example, dollar fruits is equal to array dollar apple dollar banana. Okay. Now I want to add one value, array push dollar fruits and mango, comma orange. Okay. Now I want to check print or dollar fruits. Okay. Yes. To add array push. Next array pop. Dollar numbers is equal to array 20, 30 array pop dollar numbers. Now I want to check print or dollar numbers. Okay. Yes. Here to remove the third value. Okay. And next array merge. Array merge to combine two arrays. For example, dollar a array a always dollar a comma b. Okay. And second array dollar b is equal to array and c comma d. Okay. Now I want to merge two arrays. Result is equal to dollar array match dollar a comma dollar b, printer dollar result. Yes. Okay. And next in array dollar subject is equal to array mass science English. Okay. If in array dollar in array dollar signs dollar subjects. Okay. Subject font. Now we'll check. Yes, that means dollar signs is available. To check the array value, and finally string functions are used to manipulate the text. Array functions to help manage the process arrays. So these functions to reduce the code and improve the efficiency. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about PHP sessions with examples. What is a PHP session? What is a PHP session? Okay. A PHP session, a way to store information about a user across multiple pages. Okay. Session is a way to store information. That means information means variables about a user across multiple pages. And session data is stored on the server, not in the user's browser. Okay. Users. One is login systems and shopping carts and user preferences. How the sessions work? PHP creates a unique session ID for each user, and the session ID is stored in a cookie on the user's browser. And third point, PHP stores session data on the server associated with that session ID. Next point, you can access session data on any page using $_ session. Okay, now we'll see in examples. First, we'll see login page and dashboard page and logout page. Login page, login.php, and in this always session _start. This one to start the session. Okay, and next coming to set the session variables. Okay, $_session username, okay, is equal to Ravi Kumar, for example. Next, $_session role is equal to admin. Okay, and next session variables are set anchor tag is equal to dashboard.php. okay, and go to dashboard. Okay, right. Now we'll write dashboard.php. Control N. Dashboard.php. Here is the same session _start. That means resume the session, and if is set $_session username. Okay, now welcome dot almost dot means concatenation, $_session okay, username, PR tag. Okay, next same role $_session role BR tag, echo same anchor tag href is equal to logout Okay, now else echo no session found, please href login dot php. Okay, yes, now we'll create logout. Logout dot php. In this same session underline start, same, and session unset. That means we can remove all sessions variables, all session variables. Next, session destroy. Okay, to destroy the session. Okay, now echo you are logged out, href to login dot php login again. Okay, yes, now we will check the browser level. Always to trust the server and localhost ksr. First we will check dashboard.php. This one settings, delete. We cannot open directly dashboard. Without login we cannot enter the dashboard. Now login.php. Yes, session variable are set. Go to dashboard. Yes, now logout, again login. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about PHP predefined global variables. That means also called super global variables. This one are built-in variables that are always accessible in any PHP script regardless of scope inside functions, classes or files. Okay, and we'll check a common PHP predefined global variables. First of all, dollar underline get, dollar underline post, dollar underline request, dollar underline session, dollar underline cookie, dollar underline server, dollar underline files, next dollar globals. Okay, first we'll check dollar underline get. To collect data sent through the URL, For example, all this comment. Okay. Name. Check the output. Yes. This one to data sent through the URL. For example, name is equal to Shiva. To start the server, save the data, echo. Page dot, yes, Shiva. Suppose if you change Kiran, change Kiran, then refresh. Name is equal to, yes. Next, coming to dollar underline post. Dollar underline post to collect data sent through an HTML form using post method. For example, dollar underline post. Okay, email. Same like this. Next, coming to dollar underline request. Same username. Okay. This dollar underline request to collect data from dollar underline get and dollar underline post and dollar underline cookie. Next, coming to dollar underline session. This also same user is equal to admin. Okay, same echo dollar underline session. Okay, user. Okay, this one to store user data across the multiple pages. And coming to dollar underline cookie, dollar underline cookie echo dollar underline cookie, same. Okay, this also to store data on the client's browser. Next, dollar underline server, and to check the server name. Okay, we'll execute this one. Yes, localhost. That means contains server and execution environment information. And next, coming to $_ files, there is two parameter is required. Second one is name. Okay, this one to handles file uploads. Next, coming to globals. Okay, $_ globals. This one will take first one variable $x is equal to 10, and we will write the function test echo okay $x. Now we will check browser level. Yes. Finally, PHP predefined global variables allow easy access to form data, server details, session data, cookies and files, making them essential for dynamic web applications. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about PHP form validation. What is PHP form validation? PHP form validation is the process of checking to user input to ensure it is correct, complete and safe before processing or storing it in a database. Form validation is the process of checking user input to ensure it is correct or complete and safe before processing or storing in a database. Okay, and next, why validation is important. A validation prevents empty or wrong input, and second one, it is improves data accuracy. Third one is protects against security issues. SQL injection access and common validation checks, and will required fields and email validation format, number validation and string length. First we will check required field. Validation, required field validation. We'll write the HTML form, then we'll write the PHP code. Okay. Now okay. Form validation .php. method is equal to post. Okay, here name is equal to input name is equal to name, and input type is equal to submit, and here also name is equal to submit. Okay, now we'll check validation dot php. Yes, now we'll check nothing is there. Now we'll write a PHP code for this validation. First, if is set $_ submit, if empty function empty $_ name, okay, then echo name is required. Okay, else echo welcome $_ name. We'll check, refresh. Suppose if it is empty, name is required. If it is write something, yes, welcome to Shivkumar. Suppose we will write Ravi, welcome to Ravi. Suppose if you not mention anything, yes, name is required. Okay, and number 2, email validation. We'll check now email validation. Email validation. Okay, name is equal to email. Now we'll write a PHP code for this. Same, we'll write one variable, email is equal to $_ email. Okay, now if it is empty, $_ email, echo email is required. Otherwise, else if there is a function filter where function, email filter validate email. Okay, now echo invalid email, invalid email format. Okay, now else echo valid email. Okay, now we'll check. Yes, email, undefined key email. Okay, here, okay, now we'll check. Email is required. Okay, and suppose if you write anything else, anything, right? Invalid email. Suppose we will write exact email, valid email. Okay, now we will check numeric validation. This one generally we will take in through database connection, but now we'll write without database and two question mark and commas. Instead of database, we'll mention like this. And now we'll write numeric validation. Suppose for example age, name is equal to age. This one is same. We'll write to PHP code for this. $age is equal to same. Okay, this one, if there is a function is numeric $age. Okay, now echo age must be a number, else echo your age is $age. Okay, now we will check. There is some error. Is numeric, not number. This function is ERIC. Yes, age must be a number. Suppose if you write something in alphabetics, the same, age must be a number. Now we'll write something, age. Yes, your age is 34. Now we'll check one more validation, length validation. Okay, length validation. Okay, here it is same dollar password is equal to password. Here also the same, name is equal to password and age also password. Submit is same. Now we'll write if there is a function str length, that means to check the length, strlength, $online password, okay, less than 6, echo password must be at least 6 characters. Okay, else echo password accepted. Now we'll check. Yes, password must be at least 6 characters. For example, 2, 3, 4, same. Suppose we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, password is accepted. Okay. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today I will explain PHP errors with examples. PHP generally 4 common type of errors. Syntax error, fatal error, warning error and notice error. I will explain one by one. First one, parse error, that means syntax error. For example, echo hello world. Okay, now save. Check parse error, line number 7. Okay, yes, this one is the first error, and second error, fatal error. This one, when PHP cannot continue execution and script stops completely. For example, PHP call function okay. Now check. Yes, fatal error. Now the function is not defined. Suppose for example, function, okay, and in this echo function called. Okay, now call the function. Now we'll check. Yes, function called. Next, third one, warning error. Warning error. In this non-critical error and script continues running. For example, PHP include file not exist .php. Okay, now echo program continues. Okay, now we'll check. Yes, it's a program continues. Okay, that means the script will still print. Program continues. And fourth error, notice error. Okay, notice error, the minor error, and It happens when using undefined variables. For example, echo dollar name. Okay, now we'll check. Yes, warning error, undefined error. Now the solution is okay, dollar name is equal to Shivkumar. Now we'll check. Yes, Shivkumar. Okay, and finally error reporting in PHP. Okay, error e dot all okay. Now ini set display errors. Okay, 1. Close this one to set php.ini file. Okay, and always in development server keep errors on, but in production server keep errors off. Okay, and finally parse error, code writing mistake. Okay, and fatal error, PHP cannot run, and warning error, problem but continues, and finally notice error, small mistake. Okay, thank you.